In this video, we're going to continue looking at substitution methods for solving second-order differential equations. So here's one where we've got 4x to the 4 times the second derivative plus a cubic expression times the first derivative plus y equals 2 over x. And we are invited to use the substitution ux equals 2, and we're told what we're aiming for. Okay, so we want no x's. We need to get rid of all of the x's. So obviously we can say that x is 2 over u and sub that in all of these. That's going to be okay. The issue is the dy by dx. How do we even get to dy by dx? Well, pretty much the only thing we can do to introduce a dy into the substitution is to differentiate this substitution with respect to y. When we do that, we're going to do product rule. So here's our u and here's our v. So it's u v dash. Now v dash is derivative of x with respect to y plus then u dash, so du by dy times x equals 0. That's derivative of 2. Okay, so we want dy by dx. So let's have u dx by dy equals minus x du by dy. So doing two things, I'm going to divide, well, I'll do it over 2 steps. So dx by dy is minus x over u du by dy. So dy by dx is the reciprocal of this, minus u over x dy by du. Okay, so let's get rid of that x. So rearranging this, we see that x is 2 over u. So if x is 2 over u, or 2u to the minus 1, dividing by x is going to be the same as multiplying by u over 2. So this is minus u squared over 2 dy by du. So that's that bit done. We can replace our dy by dx with this. What about the d2y by dx squared? Well, recall that that is the derivative of it's the derivative of dy by dx with respect to x. That, recall, is the same as d by du of dy by dx, except I've replaced that dx with a du, so we compensate by having a du dx here. In a sense, the du's cancel, and it's just as if we did d by dx of that. So that's saying differentiate what we've got here with respect to u. So that's okay, because I just do chain rule. Here's my u, here's my v. So it's u v dash, so here's my u, which is u squared over 2. V dash is the second derivative. If I differentiate dy by du with respect to u, it's just the second derivative of y with respect to u, plus u dash v. So I'm going to differentiate the u squared over 2, so that's minus u, and then I keep my dy by du. And then I multiply this whole thing by du by dx. What is du by dx? Well, probably easiest to find dx by du. Then we'll have that in terms of u, which is more useful for us. So dx by du is going to be minus 2 over u squared, which means that du by dx is minus u squared over 2. So that's what I'm multiplying by here. So minus u squared over 2. So expanding this, we get minus u squared over 2 times minus u squared over 2 gives me minus u to the 4 over 4 d2y by du squared. Then this times this gives me plus u, oh, that was a plus as well actually, yep, minus times minus is plus, u cubed over 2 times dy by du. Okay, we now have everything we need. We've got the second derivative and we've got the first derivative all in terms of u, so we're ready to substitute all of that into here. Okay, so subbing that into here. Now 4x to the 4 is 4. Now x to the 4 is 16 over u to the 4. That's just using this little substitution here. And that's times u to the 4 over 4 plus, not plus, times d2y by du squared plus u cubed over 2 dy by du. Now then it's 8x squared, so that is 8 times x squared is 8 over u cubed, 8 over u cubed, plus 4x squared, so that's 4 times x squared is 4 over u squared, times dy by dx, which is minus u squared over 2 dy by du. Then that's plus y equals 2 over x, but 2 over x is u, so that's u over here. Okay, expanding all of this, what have we got? Well, the 4 here cancels the 4 here, the u to the 4 with the u to the 4, so that is 16 d2y by du squared. Now here we've got 4 over 2 is 2, times 16 is 32, so that's plus 32. The u cubed divided by u to the 4, that's over u dy by du. This bracket here, well, it's 8 times 8, which is 64, divided by 2 is 32, negative, and then the u squared over the u cubed, so that's minus 32 over u dy by du. That's nice, that cancels with this. Then it's 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, minus, so it's minus 8, the u squares cancel, dy by du, plus y equals u, and that's the result we wanted, right? It's 16 d2y by du squared minus 8 dy by du plus y equals u. We've done it. We have shown that it reduces to that. So let's move on to B and solve it. So given that y is 4 and dy by du equals 2 when u equals 0, solve this. So we need to first solve this, find the complementary function. So the complementary function of 16m squared minus 8m plus 1 equals 0. This looks a bit like it's going to be repeated roots, I think. 16 minus 8, 1. Yes, repeated root of m equals a quarter. So that means we have y equals a plus bu times e to the 1/4 u. So there is our complementary function. Let's find our particular integral. We've got a linear term here, which means my guess is going to be y equals lambda plus mu u. Y dash, so y dotted, the derivative is mu, and double dotted is 0. So subbing that in here, we've got 16 lots of 0, and we've got minus 8 lots of mu plus y, which is lambda plus mu u, needs to equal u. Okay, comparing coefficients, how many u's do we have on each side? We've got mu of them on the left and 1 of them on the right, so mu is 1. We've got no constants on the right, so minus 8 times mu, which is 1, plus lambda should equal 0, and so lambda should be 8, which means my particular integral is y equals 8 plus u. So that means my general solution is y equals a plus bu e to the quarter u plus the particular integral 8 plus u. Now we can find our a's and b's. So let's differentiate. So dy by du is, okay, product rule here. So u v dash quarter e to the quarter u plus u dash v, which is just b times e to the 1/4 u, and differentiate this and we just get 1. Okay, subbing in values. So y is 4 when u is 0. So 4 is a times 0 plus times e to the 0, which is 1, plus 8, plus 0. So a is minus 4. And then dy by du is 2 when u is 0. So we've got a plus 0 times e to the 0. Times a quarter times e to the 0 plus b times e to the 0 plus 1. So we know that a is minus a quarter. So subtracting 1 from both sides, we've got 1 equals minus 4 times a quarter, so that's minus 1, plus b, and therefore b is 2. So that tells me that y equals a, so minus 4, plus 2u, e to the quarter u, plus 8 plus u. Final thing is solve the differential equation, the original one. We have that u needs to be replaced with 2 over x. So y is minus 4 plus 2 times, so u is 2 over x, so 2 times 2 over x is 4 over x. Then e to the power of a quarter of 2 over x, that's 1 over 2x, plus 8 plus 2 over x. And there's a fairly spectacular solution to the original differential equation. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video.